Hi Linda, I've got everything prepared, all the tools for the soldering. There's flux, there's the torch, third hand, which is going to hold the post in place. First thing I'm going to do is flatten the post and get it in position for the soldering to take place. So let's do that. Once you've flattened the post, clean the surfaces with a bit of alcohol and basically position it in the center or wherever you want it to be with the help of the little arm. And all I've done is placed a dab of flux on the post, put it in position, and I've put one little tiny square of the gold solder right on the edge of the cup. And now I'm about to turn on the torch and basically from a distance start heating it up, and the flux will heat up and the gold just flung off. There you go, it's starting to heat up, and basically it's melted and it's soldered. With a bit of practice, obviously it's going to become even easier. That there, you just place in some water, and after that put it in the acid, the pickle, and it's ready. Buff it up and away you go.